So update for today. Yesterday my brother was riding the motorcycle and the gas like sort of locked on and he had to turn it off and something happened. So we were checking it up today and checking the other two quads. We came over to change the oil and give them like a little checkup. So that's what we're doing right now. That's sort of the thing when you come here. Since we don't come here that often, like the quads are always broken down. You have to give them a checkup so they can be up and running for when you want to drive them and whatnot. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. When you come here, since we don't come here that often, like the quads are always broken down. You have to give them a checkup so they can be up and running for when you want to drive them and whatnot. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. So we fixed the quads, changed the oil, gave them a little tune-up, and we're ready to go.
Imbécil!
Cinematic.
sabe que somos de la calle, la gente sabe que somos de la calle. Mira cómo gozan cuando traigo un mensaje, mira cómo gozan cuando traigo un mensaje, mira cómo gozan cuando traigo un mensaje, mira cómo gozan cuando traigo un mensaje. La gente sabe que somos de la calle, la gente sabe que somos de la calle, la gente sabe que somos de la calle, la gente sabe que somos de la calle. Mira cómo gozan cuando traigo un mensaje, mira cómo gozan cuando traigo un mensaje, mira cómo gozan cuando traigo un mensaje. Grupo discoteca, vamos pa' la calle.
To give you guys a little update on what's going on, we went to the mechanic this morning. We went to the mechanic again in the afternoon to fix the quads, to change the oil and whatnot. I already told you guys, but we're out here. We're doing donuts, as you guys saw in the footage right before, and well, the yellow quad, a little piece sort of like fell off, and that's what you need to manually turn it on. And we're pretty far from home, so we're trying to see if we can fix it or not. And yeah, that's what's happening right now. So this random guy just showed up. He was watching us struggle with the quad. I came over and asked him if he had like if he had some rope so we could tie up the yellow quad to the blue quad and just tow it all the way home. And he said, yeah, he's gonna go bring it. So I guess we're saved. Tied up and we're ready to go.
La gente sabe que somos de la calle, la gente sabe que somos de la calle, la gente sabe que somos de la calle, la gente sabe que somos de la calle.
I don't know if you guys can hear me right now, but we're going straight to the mechanic. We're not stopping home or anything. We're going straight there to see if they can fix this. Well, to see if he can fix this. That way we can ride tomorrow. It always sucks because half of the trip we spend fixing the quads. And it's not fun. You waste a whole lot of time. But I guess that's what happens when you come every year or something. Okay, so we left the quad over at the mechanic. Wow. We're gonna pick it up at like 7. We left it at like 5:30. And here's me. Yeah, he has to fix that piece. Okay, so the quad's back. The mechanic brought it back to the house, which is great. So we have it back and it's ready for tomorrow.